Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. There is a billing problem with previous purchase. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open setting and then you have to tap on general. And firstly make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and from here make sure that you don't have any pending update. If you have, then you have to update your device to the latest version, and then you have to tap on settings again, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID panel, and from here you have to scroll it on, and then you have to sign out your Apple ID, and then you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on, and then you have to put your Apple ID again, and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem success there, then you have to open setting, tap on your Apple ID panel, scroll it down. From here you have to tap on media and purchases, then you have to tap on view account, and from here you have to wait for a while, and from here you have to tap on manage payment option. So from here make sure that you have put correct information, and after that you have to tap on your billing address, and from here make sure that you have put correct billing address here, especially for the zip code, and then go back from here, and from here you have to scroll it on, and then you have to tap on purchase history, and from here you have to manage your purchase history, and then go back from here, and then you have to tap on country origin, and then tap on change country origin. Then you have to scroll it on, or you have to select your country from here, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully and just simply tap on agree, again tap on agree, and here is your payment method, so you can select your favorite one. Now I'm going to select here at none, and here you have to put your billing name, and here you have to put your billing address. You can put fake one, so you can also put fake one. So from here you have to select your city, and here you have to put your postal code of your city. If you don't know about the postal code, then you can search on Safari browser or another browser. In case of mine it's 64200, and here you have to put the phone number, so you can put fake one as well, and just simply tap on next. And after that you have to tap on done, and after that you have to restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.